you ever wanted to learn Python but didn't know where to start? Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about coding, this series is for you. Let's dive into Python and unlock the power of programming together. Hi, and welcome to the very first episode of our Python beginner course. I'll be your guide through this exciting journey into the world of programming. In this series, we'll start from the absolute basics of Python. Think of it as learning to walk before we run. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to write Python programs confidently, solve problems with code, and even take on your own projects. Here's what you will learn in this series. Python basics, variables, data types, input, output, and more. Control flow, learn how to use if-else statements and loops to make your program smarter. Functions, write reusable code and save yourself tons of time. Working with data, lists, dictionaries, and files to manage and organize information. Projects, apply your skills to real-world projects like a calculator or a to-do list app. So, why Python? What makes it so special? Well, Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. It's widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. The best part? Python's syntax is super clean and beginner-friendly, which means you can start coding right away without feeling overwhelmed. See? Just one line to print your first message. In each episode, we'll tackle a new concept step by step. I'll explain the theory first, and then we'll jump into hands-on coding. I'll also give you small challenges to try on your own, because the best way to learn is by doing. Are you excited to start your Python journey? I know I am. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode. And if you're ready to dive in, grab your computer, and let's get started with Python in episode 2.